Hey little artists! Today we're going to draw an adorable little cat together. Step 1. Draw the head. Let's begin with the top of the cat's head. Draw 2 pointy ears and connect them with a gentle curved line. Now add the fluffy cheeks and round chin. Awesome! Our kitty already looks soft and fluffy. Step 2. Draw the face. Now let's make our kitty come to life. Draw 2 big round eyes. Add tiny eyebrows, a cute little nose, and a smiling mouth. Don't forget the long whiskers on both sides. Cats use their whiskers to help measure spaces. If their whiskers fit, their whole body usually fits too. It's like having built-in measuring sticks. Aww, look at that adorable face.
Help me! Help me!
Step 3. Draw the body. Now let's draw the body. Add 2 front legs with little paws. Next, draw the back leg and a big curly tail. Take your time and follow each line. Look at that! Our little kitty is sitting so nicely. Maybe it's waiting for a tasty bowl of fish, or hoping for a fun game with a ball of yarn. Step 4. Finish the outline. Now trace around the outside with a thicker line. Wow! Your cute cat looks bold, fluffy, and ready for coloring. Fantastic job, little artists! Today we learned how to draw a cute cat step by step using simple shapes. Remember, every amazing drawing starts with one simple line. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep creating wonderful artwork. Thanks for watching. See you in the next drawing adventure. Bye-bye.